guys, this is gonna be the last one. I promise this time. All right, it was fun. I'm telling you guys, this is fun. You can make some extra easy money like that, and this is what I do. You know, when there's no work, you know, instead of sitting around doing nothing, I'm gonna make some money, guys, doing this little DoorDash. You see, easy money. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Today back again. You already know it, guys. Today we're gonna be doing some DoorDash, guys. We are starting a little bit late, but that's because I had to do some other stuff. I already made my money, guys, but I'm gonna show you. We're gonna do a ride along. I'm gonna show. We're only gonna do probably about 2 DoorDashes, so y'all can see how easy this thing is for those that want to get into the DoorDash. It's really easy, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do 2 DoorDashes. All right, so first things first, guys, you want to make sure that your car has fuel. You want to make sure that your phone is fully charged. Always carry a phone charger just in case, guys. Always. All right, so I already have fuel. My car's ready. I have my charger with me, so we're gonna start. We're gonna go ahead and start DoorDashing, guys. Let me just crank up this bad boy. All right, so yeah, we're gonna get to it, guys. We're gonna get this little extra money, guys, but I am starting late, guys, and like I said, it does get dark around 5 o'clock, so just depends. My goal is to do 2 dashes just for y'all, so y'all can see how easy it is, guys, and hopefully this motivates, you know, all the people, you know, that trying to get started, trying to get in, because I had to watch some other videos too. I had to follow other YouTubers who also doing DoorDash just to get that motivation, guys. So sometimes you have to watch someone who already doing it to get that motivation, just a little boost. All right, and after that it's just piece of cake, you know, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna let my car warm up. I'm a car guy, so you know I gotta let my motor, the oil, just kind of go up a little bit, rise up before I, you know, go anywhere. But yeah, I'll see y'all over there on my first pickup. We're gonna see what I'm gonna log into the DoorDash app and see what they got going on, and we're gonna pick up our first order. All right, so let's dash. Let's go. All right, guys, so our first order is going to Yums. It's only 3 minutes away from right here, and yeah, let's go ahead and pick it up, guys. Hopefully we get a good tip on this one. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so there you go, the restaurant right there. We do have some traffic going on, maybe an accident, I don't know. Let me turn right here, guys. That's the restaurant right there, guys. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, so we are here at the first order, guys. Let's go ahead and pick it up. Hopefully it's ready. Let's go inside. You know I gotta wear that mask, guys. We still living that pandemic life, guys. There you go. DoorDash. Oh yeah, by the way, DoorDash hooked me up with this mask. We'll make another video what comes with your bag. They will give you a bag once you sign up for DoorDash. It will give you a hop so you can put all your food inside the bag. They also throw this mask. So stay tuned. I will make another video for that, guys. But let's go inside the store and pick up the order. All right, let's go. All right, so the door is closed. So we're gonna go through the drive-through, pick up the order. All right, where's the keys? So check it out. This is the line to the drive-through. It's kind of long. All right, we gotta wait, guys. We gotta play the waiting game right here. All right, hopefully it's ready by the time I pick it up, guys. Well, we are here. Our pickup time was at 4:35. It's about 4:36, so all we gotta do now is just wait. But as you can see, guys, we got a lot of traffic going on. This is kind of like rush hour. Some people going into work, some people getting off work. But yeah, I noticed that also at the dash map, you know, I noticed that this is around the time where it starts getting busy and all that. That's when you'll start seeing a lot of dashes popping up. But yeah, we're gonna get to it, guys. We only got 3 cars in front of me, so hopefully we can roll, get this money, guys. Let's go. All right, we only got 4 items. I don't think we got any drinks, just some sushi stuff, some egg rolls, and some rice, something like that. I'm gonna put it right here on the video so y'all can see what they got. But yeah, this one right here should be easy, guys. All right, so we got the food. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the DoorDash bag so it won't get cold. Stop right here. It smells good too, guys. That's the good rice. This is the DoorDash bag they give you, and yeah, put the food inside, guys, so to keep it warm. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and deliver now. Let me see where how far we gotta go, and let's go. Let's rock and roll. And this is what I didn't want to do. I didn't want to do no apartments, guys. I don't want to do apartments because it's so hard to find the address. But yeah, this is gonna be an apartment, guys. Y'all come with me, guys. Let's go ahead and do it. She already left the instructions. She gave me a phone number. She said if you can't find the apartment number, just call me. She don't want nobody to get her food. Woo! I've been doing houses, and this is gonna be our first time doing an apartment, guys. So y'all come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We going to an apartment. Oh, I'm gonna see how far it is. Go, let's go, let's go. Let's go get this money, guys. Come on. Guys, the customer got her order. All right, so that's it. We're done. She was waiting for it too. All right, so let me confirm that she got the her food. All right, hold up, guys. All right, guys, so we go on to the second order. We're done with this one. One of my big fears, guys, delivering at the apartment place, because sometimes it's hard to find the addresses, you know, and that was my fear right there. But this one was easy, guys. She was waiting on me, and like she stated on the comment, she didn't want nobody to take her food, so you know, she was outside waiting. Let me go and put my seatbelt on, guys. It's the law, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do one more. As you can see, guys, it's getting dark too, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and do one more. We're gonna go ahead and let him pass. We're gonna go do one more, guys. All right, let's go. Let's go. Guys, so we're gonna do one more delivery. This one is only 5 minutes away. It's not far from where I'm at right now, and we're going to Chick-fil-A. All right, the pay is $10.70 something like that, and that's about it. All right, let's go get it. Alrighty, guys, so we are here at Chick-fil-A picking up 4 items. So let's confirm the pickup and let's go get it, guys. Let's go inside. This is it. This is DoorDash. Yeah, that's what it is. Alright, so we got the order right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and deliver it. Alright, let's go. Let's put this inside the hot bag. So there you go. It's inside the bag. So let's go ahead and deliver it. This is for Toya B. We got some nuggets, some chicken soup, and some saltines, barbecue saltines. All right, let's go. All right, let's go deliver it. This is the last one, guys. Let's go. the customer, and this one was easy too to find the address. All right. Ooh, my pants falling down. All right, guys. Well, that's it. We're done, guys. We finna go to the house. Get the DoorDash back. All right. So let's go straight to the house. Let's go. So I accepted another order. This one is like seven something dollars. Let's pick it up.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. You have a good night.
You too. The rope. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and deliver this one, and I think this is gonna be the last one, guys. I said two, but this is the third delivery now. So let's go ahead and deliver this one. All right. Let's go. All right, we need some gas too, though. I gotta put some gas. Let's go. We're still right here at Yum's, and the delivery for the customer is only 5 minutes away. So that's pretty cool, guys. Not far. After this, we're done, guys. So I'm getting hungry too, guys. All this good smelling food that we delivering, it's making me hungry, guys. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go deliver this one. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. This is the last one. It's 40. 42. How you doing?
Hi.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right. That's it. All right. Alrighty, guys. One more to go. This is the last one right here, guys. Come on, let's go pick it up. Alright, guys, this is the last one. I promise this time. I really was just going to get some pizza for me, for myself, because I'm hungry. But then I saw these DoorDash order popped up for like $8 something. And I was like, you know what? I'll take it. Since I'm already going around the same place where I'm going, might as well take it, right? And this is what I do. When the business slows down, the bounce house business or the detailing, then instead of just sitting around doing nothing, this is what I do. I dash. Make a little extra money, guys. Easy money. See? Alright. It's that easy, guys. So we're just gonna wait for this order and deliver it. And then the delivery is not even far, guys. It's around the corner. Some customers just don't feel like driving. And the restaurant is just around the corner, guys. Easy money, guys. Alright. Let's go. Alright, guys, so the pickup was at 8:20 some. It's 8:30 some. They still don't have the food ready, guys. So I'm over here waiting. Alright. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. Alright. But the good thing is the delivery is not far from here. That's the good thing. Alright. So this is the last one, guys. This is the last one. Alright. Let's go. So this one is only 6 minutes away from Crystal's. This one was easy, guys. Easy payout. $8 plus the tip. Hopefully they tip, hopefully. But it's $8 something, guys. So let's go ahead and deliver it, guys. The customer is winning. Alright. I know they're hungry. Look at that. Look at all that food. Alright. Let's go. Guys, so it's 2 drinks. What we got? Here's the Crystals. We got the straws right here inside the bag. And yeah, let's go ahead and deliver it, guys. All right, let's go. Right, guys, this one was a good one. Customer tip $4.50. That ain't bad, guys. But hey, look, we're done, guys. We'll continue doing this probably tomorrow. If I don't have no bounce house deliveries or detailing job, then we're gonna be you know, doing the dash. All right, so stay tuned, guys. That was a good one. All right, let's get it. We out.